Okay, but what I'm trying to tell you here, ma, that is A among this cell among laser, I'm showing with the laser pen. Among this and A and B cells, which will be having higher water potential, which will be having lower water potential. The answer is A. Why A? Because it is always filled up with the water. Ma. Xylem is considered as what? Ma. Xylem is necessary for the transportation of the water. So it will be always transporting the water. What does it mean? It is always filled up with the water only. And when you come across this phloem area, as the sucrose molecules from the leaf area, they are entering inside to the sucrose, this particular sieve tuber, their water concentration or the water potential decreases. When you compare both the cells A and B, A will be, because of its xylem, it will always have the higher amount of the water. B, because of just now what sucrose molecules came inside now, their water potential decreases. So now what became, according to our basics, water will always move from the higher water concentration to the lower water concentration. जो भी अपने को मालूम है अपना basis के प्रकार, whatever the water is there will always move from the high water concentration to low water concentration. Very simple. Water which is present in this area, now the water which is present in this area, the water which is present in this area, the water, whatever the thing is which is present in this area, the water, sorry, so water which is present in this A cell will enter into the B cell. Now what will happen means, everyone listen me carefully. Last 5 minutes topic now. Now what will happen means, as a continuous water enters into the sieve tube, continuous water will enter into the sieve tube. Now what will happen means, continuous water is entering into the sieve tube, इसका water potential अब increase हो जाता. This cell water potential will be increased. The cell water potential will be increased. Now what we have to see means, consider this as a cell and this as a B cell. Now. This as a B cell. Water potential in the A cell is increased because water is flowing from the adjacent xylem. Adjacent में बाजू में xylem था और थोड़ा water donate कर दिया. Now when you see in the case of the A and B C tubes, A is having higher water potential and B is having lower water potential. Now tell me from where to where water will move. From where to where water will move. कहाँ से कहाँ पर water will move now. Very simple. एडजेसेंट जाइलम ने क्या कर दिया, उसके पास बहुत सारा पानी था तो ए सेल को दे दिया बहुत सारा वाटर. इट हैज गिवन टू द ए सेल ओनली. You may ask me, sir, why A cell? Because A cell has the sucrose molecule inside it. B cell doesn't have any sucrose molecules inside it. Now, what will happen means, as heavy amount of the water, as heavy amount of the water flowed from this cell to this cell. Now, when you compare this cell and this cell, now tell me which cell will be having higher water potential and which cell will be having the lower water potential. If I'm using the word water potential, you will get confused. I will be using the normal term. Water concentration. Which cell will be having higher water concentration? Which cell will be having lower water concentration? Very good, ma. Very simple. Very simple, ma. Andro em lene ledu. As this A cell just now received water from the xylem gala, so A cell will be having the higher water potential. B cell will be having the lower water concentration. So as the basics again, what we have discussed basics, water will always move from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Now water will move from where to where? It will move from this cell to this cell. It will move to this cell to this cell. Now this is a C cell. Now compare both the cells. B and C में compare करो. B and C में compare करो. Which cell will be having higher water concentration, which cell will be having lower water concentration? Quickly the answers, ma. Quickly tell me the answers, ma. I'll be completing the class. I will be completing the class last 5 minutes. Very good answer. B cell will be having the higher water concentration, C cell will be having lower. So water will move from the B to the C, B to the C, B to the C. C, this is the D cell, and water will move again from higher to the lower. This will to the this side. And last cell, that is the E cell. Water will move from the D to the E. Here one thing you have to understand, along with the water, along with the H2O, who is also getting transported in heavy quantities, means that is the sucrose molecules. वो आपको याद रखना होगा. यहाँ पर अपन water transport नहीं कर रहे. Along with the water का concentration कम इसका होगा, but whose concentration is very high in this case means there is a sucrose concentration is super high, no? Very, very high. So sucrose molecules are directly getting transported along with the water to the downside up to the E cell. Up to the E cell, because here we are having what? Here we are having the zinc form. That is, in this case, I will try to take in the form of fruit or yeah, etc. कौन सा भी ले ले सकता हूँ मैं. I can take that as a fruit, or I can take it as a root, or I can take it as a stem. This entire part I can take it any part. कौन सा भी ఏదైనా ఒకటి తీసుకొని చూసుకోవచ్చు నేను, fruit or stem or etc. because it is a sigma actually. So now what will happen? Sucrose molecules present in the this sieve tuber will enter into this companion cell more. Will enter into this companion cell. For this thing, they require the active transport. For this thing, they require the active transport more. For this thing, they require the active transporter. And from the companion cell, they will enter into where? They will enter into the sigma. From the companion cell, they will enter into the zinc. The zinc can be either fruit ho sakta, root ho sakta, stem ho sakta, whatever it can be, whatever it might be. And by this way, sucrose molecules are getting transported from the leaf part to the downward part. So as the sucrose molecules leave this sucrose molecules leave kar dete na, sucrose molecules when they leave the sieve tuber and they will enter into the this particular companion cells. यहाँ पर जो भी ई सेल है ना उसका concentration of water will be very higher. उसका concentration of water will be very higher such that when you compare E and F, E and F में compare करें तो water concentration E में ज़्यादा रहता है, F में कम रहता है. So water will go back again to its original place. That is the xylem. It will go back again to its original place. That is the xylem. Very, very simple ma. Very, very simple. Let me explain you again last in 2 minutes. Source is the area where the food is produced, and in this case, leaf part. Leaf part में glucose produced हुआ, glucose getting converted into the sucrose within the leaf only, and from the leaf leaf locally, and from the leaf में से वो कहाँ पर enter हो रहा पहली बार, where it is getting entered into the companion cell, and from the companion cell they are entering into this particular sieve tube. When they enter into the sieve tube, they decrease the water concentration in this particular sieve tube. Sieve tube में enter होने के बाद उनका water concentration decrease करेंगे, and in this case when you compare in both the cells, the water concentration is very higher in the xylem, very low in this particular sieve tube. So water will enter from the adjacent to this particular cell. And when you compare now with these two cells A and B, water concentration is very low in the B and water concentration is very high in the A. So water will move from the A to the B. Similarly, B to the C, C to the D, D to the A. E up to E taka, along with the water who is getting transported, sucrose is also getting transported. And when they reach through the sink area దగ్గర కి reach అయిన తర్వాత from the sieve tube, it will enter into the companion cell. From the companion cell, that is again by the way of active transport. Means here you require the energy again. This can be asked in a need again. Whenever you are doing the phloem transport, कौन सा transport पे use कर रहे बोल के question आ सकता है from the sieve tube to the active companion cells. The answer is the active transport. Here you will be utilizing the energy again. From the companion cell, it will be entered into the sink. The sink can be either fruit or either it can be root or either it can be a stem. So this thing, what was I'm trying to tell you in the starting class, this is a bidirectional nature. Whatever the phloem transport is there, it can be bidirectional nature. How bidirectional? The sink can become source and the source can become sink. When in the summer season, sink to whatever the food material stored in the sink nama, it can enter into the companion cells, it can enter into the sieve tube. Sieve tube loki enter agangane pakkakuna water induloki enter aitadi, induloki enter agangane water concentration ఎక్కువ aitadi, it will go upside up. When you compare these two cells, it will go upside, and it will enter into what? It will enter into the leaf part. So what I'm trying to tell you is that source can become sinker can become source based on the seasons or environments or etc. This is your phloem transport map. By this we successfully completed your unit map. By successfully completed, I can understand that you will be having some sort of small doubts. If you're having any doubts, you can either ask me right now or either you can message me on my WhatsApp so that I can explain you those doubts again on tomorrow. Tomorrow I will try to explain those doubts. Just you can ask me now. Even if you're asking me now, I will explain those topics tomorrow. So my simple suggestion is that just take out the textbook and try to read once. Just take out the NCERT textbook and try to read it once. You will get to know. I mean, you will get to know the doubts or etc. clarification, etc. Because see, what was the problem from where the problem is getting, where the problem is arising means, some of you people didn't attended the starting classes low, you didn't attended those some of the basics. Second thing is that a peerness అనేది లేదమ్మా, ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ లో peerness అనేది ఉండదు. I mean when you are in the classes nama, క్లాసెస్ లో నిలబడి అడుగుతాం అన్న భయంతో మీరు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ తీసి చదువుతున్నామో ఇప్పుడు ఆ భయం లేదు కాబట్టి यू विल जस्ट नेग्लेक्ट दोस रिवीजन करना एक्सेट्रा थोड़ा नेग्लेक्ट कर देंगे अपन नेग्लेक्ट कर देते हैं so very simple what I'm trying to tell is that just try to revise the starting topics because most of the people in this class don't know what is meant by water potential ante ento koncham kondariki teladu so that is I'm not saying you that you are absent because of that reason you are not knowing what is water potential and again the second factor is the fear factor you are not having that fear that etc will happen to me etc वो वाला fear नहीं है तो आप लोग थोड़ा टॉपिक को रिवाइज करना भूल जाते हैं etc so I'm not blaming you at all I'm blaming the system or education system etc whatever it might be so if you're having any doubts you just ask me and before leaving the class I'm having one doubt because you have to ask me this doubt but you are not asking me so I'm going to ask the doubt what is the necessity of converting the glucose to the sucrose डायरेक्ट ग्लूकोज को ट्रांसपोर्ट कर दे तो हो जाता था ना డౌట్ అర్థమైందా అమ్మ గ్లూకోజ్ నుండి సుక్రోజ్ కి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఏమొచ్చింది डायरेक्ट ग्लूकोज ने పైనుంచి కింద దాకా ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా ऊपर से नीचे तक ग्लूकोज को ट्रांसपोर्ट कर सकते हैं ना व्हाट इज द नेसेसिटी of converting the glucose to the sucrose that is my doubt you people have to explain me tomorrow more that's it for today if you're having any doubts you can WhatsApp to my number I'll try to tell you that give the clarification to the doubt tomorrow more and for your information tomorrow I'm going to start the new unit I'm not going to start the second or third I'm directly going to start the fourth unit one of the highly important unit one of the highly important unit called as the photosynthesis this will like one end of week అయితే ఈ టాపిక్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాలంటే photosynthesis కంప్లీట్ చేయాలంటే 1.5 week try to ask your friends to come ఇవాళ ముస్కాన్ బిస్కాన్ బాగుంది people didn't attend it so try to ask your friends to definitely come on tomorrow and one more thing if you are not favorable to this time if you are not good at this time just try to message me we'll try to change the time again आपको टाइम अच्छा नहीं लग रहा सर प्रॉब्लम हो रहा टाइम से एक्सेट्रा just try to ask me, just try to message me. I will try to discuss with the Rakesh sir, and I may change the time again. That's it for today, man. Have a nice day, everyone. That's it for today.